So, how do you manage your login devices on eBay? So, to start off, I have already searched for eBay on a browser on mobile. So, you can use any browser in mobile. You just need to log in your account. Now, here I'm going to open up ebay.ph. So, it depends on your country. So, for me, it's Philippines. So, here we just need to click on the top right. And now we need to click on account and we need to wait for it to load up. And here we need to click on sign in and security. And we need to scroll down until we see sign in activity. We just need to click on view. Now here you would see these are the devices your account is currently logged in. And here you can monitor which devices is using your account. And if you see something suspicious, and you could immediately change your password, which will sign out all your devices from your account. So that basically sums it up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.